The American Association of Physicians of Indian Origin (AAPI) of New Jersey held its 6th annual convention on November 9th at the Imperia in Somerset. This prestigious event gathered healthcare professionals and community leaders to celebrate the contributions of Indian American physicians and raise funds for charitable causes. Proceeds from the evening benefited initiatives including the Akshay Patra Foundation USA, Cancer Research, and the India Disaster Fund. Amongst other dignitaries, Padma Shri recipient Dr. Sudhir Parikh, a respected leader in the Indian American medical community, attended the event and praised AAPI's commitment to philanthropy. Sponsored by organizations such as Acclaim, Hackensack Meridian Health, and CarePoint Health, the evening included a cocktail reception, a group photo session, a premium bar, a dinner featuring Indian cuisine, and musical entertainment by Malhar Musical. Watch the highlights.
Executive team from Hackensack Meridian System, Robert Johnson System, and CarePoint Health. It is my pleasure and honor to welcome you all for the 6th annual convention of New Jersey State AAPI. 6 years back, when we started this organization, along with Dr. Vinod Sinha, Dr. Kalkar, Dr. Hemant Patel,
to this moment has been one of resilience, determination, and the unwavering support of a close-knit family and friends, which all of you are. Tonight, that shows the hall full and 100% sold out ticket is testimony of that. I was born just outside the United States. Yeah? That sounds good, right? Outside the United States, into a middle-class family with a father who was a college dropout and a mother who had not completed high school. Despite limited resources, my parents had instilled in me deep appreciation of education and make me believe it could open doors to a brighter future.
Thank you very much, ITV, for sponsoring the event and also giving the coverage. Hopefully, you put me on the front page. I'm going to smile extra just for that. I really like Dr. Parikh and Mrs. Parikh. Her name is exactly like my name, Sudha, so you will not forget me. Last name is Nahar. I am the AAPI president. We are really trying to make this gala as a wonderful event. In New Jersey AAPI chapter, we have like a strong pillar. One is education. We arrange a lot of educational activity. We did a talk on the vitiligo, colon cancer awareness, and also we did new start of a Zoom seminar, behavior science, how to incorporate that in non-psychiatry practices. The second one is collaboration. This year, first time in the history of NJAAPI, we have collaborated with a women physician, Mokapi, Estera Healthcare, and many more, and expanding the footprint of NJAAPI. The third one is called charity. I would say my concept, personal concept, I truly believe life has 3 phases. Number one is learn, earn, and return. So in childhood, we learn. The second one, we earn. This is the time to give back to the community. So when the opportunity for NJAAPI leadership came, I really got thrilled. I took the challenge and hope all the officers are happy with me. All the audience are happy, and especially Dr. Parikh is happy with me, and Mrs. Parikh, Sudha Parikh, is also happy with me. I'm going to give mic to Dr. Rachna Kulkarni. She is the chair of Board of Trustee. In reality, she's not just the chair, she is the soul of NJAAPI, and especially for my presidency. I truly, truly admire her, and she is the backbone for me, giving me so much small tips, which I could not even handle anything, and she's always a strong pillar for me. So thank you very much, everybody. Thank
Hello,
you
this
so
is Dr. Sudhir Parikh, welcoming you all to our API Gala, annual Gala. And here with me, Dr. Umesh Mehta, Dr. Maya Sanghvi, Sudha Parikh, and Rita Mehta. And we are here to enjoy and network with our physician colleagues. And our API has a lot of initiative which helps the young doctors as well as we do a lot of philanthropic work for the whenever there is a need for help to the for any sectors or any reason. So welcome.
No, this association and organization has been there for many years. It was started by all the New Jersey physicians, and it's very helpful in organizing and learning. The continuing medical education are also being done here, and we are very happy with the organization, the way it is taking place.
It's a wonderful event supporting the young physicians that are coming up. And obviously, the healthcare industry is benefiting from all the hard work that API supports.
Hello, I am Dr. Sudha Parikh. I wish you all the physicians here happy Diwali and happy New Year, and wish them to continue the good work for the healthcare.
Thank you so much. We are here for the annual convention of New Jersey State API. We are very fortunate to have Dr. Parikh, Dr. Sudha, and Sudhir Parikh to be here. We are grateful for their support. New Jersey has the highest concentration of physicians of Indian origin, and we are proud to be there, and this is a good platform for all of us to collaborate and contribute to the community. We are very proud to say that we have a lot of educational seminars and collaborative activity throughout the state. Also, very happy to share that this event has been sold out, so appreciate the support of the medical community, and we continue to build upon it. Thank you very much for being here.
This is Dr. Sudhir Parikh. I'm the founding member of the Federation of the API New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, where this New Jersey API chapter is was one of the member of the Federation of the API, and it was started in early 90s. So I'm here. I would like to congratulate Dr. Sudha Nahar and Dr. Rachna Kulkarni. They are a very good friend of mine, and Dr. Sudha Nahar is a current president, and we are under her leadership. API New Jersey chapter is doing such a great work, mainly the educating the CME program for the doctors, for the young generations, as well as a lot of charitable work through the API. So, Dr. Nahar, thank you very much for your great thing. And good friend of mine, Dr. Rachna Kulkarni, who is a chairman of the Board of Trustee, and she is with the API for many years, and she is really a great physician, not only a great cardiologist, but she is also a great philanthropist. And I'm very pleased to welcome Dr. Rachna Kulkarni to this API Gala.
This is Dr. Binod K. Sinha, board certified urologist in New Jersey and New York. Today is our gala event, New Jersey State API, which was started by me and two other friends in 2017 and 18. We brought doctors together. This organization is growing every year. We support many charity organizations, 5 or 6 organizations. I started every year we support. We are also doing SACHI, which is affiliated with Hackensack, to help underserved, underprivileged people in the central New Jersey who has no access to see a doctor. This is all initiative of New Jersey State API. We are looking much more. We have much more bigger plan.
Thank you very much for this great honor. I've also Dr. Payal Parikh, who is the Chief Transformation Officer for the Robert Wood Johnson University Hospital and also the Interim Chief of Hospitals. So we together want to bring a single message that as an academic health system representing both Robert Wood Johnson Medical School and its merger with the Barnabas Health System, there is one spirit of unison across the community. And I want to just mention one single fact that standing here with Dr. Kulkarni, who is also from the same school in Nagpur, we are thrilled that we are able to bring some unique vision. And I'm thinking that in the near future, API as it stands for its mission will be able to bring one single important mission. 25% of the world is Indians. 5% of New Jersey Indians. How much is Indian population represented in research and guidelines? Under 2%. So we are heavily underrepresented in modern medicine. So first important mission is to advance the knowledge and the education so that we can really understand how the newer innovation and the therapies could really apply. I have a hospital back in Nagpur, and I can tell you confidently all the rules and the guidelines that are developed in the US do not apply to India. So we really need to make sure that this community here that is coming together has a singular vision and mission to advance the knowledge so that we can really serve the South Asian population. And I really see that spirit coming in, and we're working together to bring together this back to our community, and that's actually our responsibility. Thank you very much.
Please, I request Abdul Prakash, to join our team. Big round of applause for Nidhi.